Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students which is developed in Odisha. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the Etuson app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So children, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. Today we are going to learn how to solve a pair of linear equation by substitution method. If you remember, in my previous video, I have discussed how to solve the pair of linear equation by graphical method. Okay, so hope you have watched that video. If you have not done so, please watch all those videos. So to make it easy for you, I have given the link of the entire playlist related to all the chapters of class 10. So please visit all the videos, okay, so that all your concepts will be clear. So let us start today's class then. Are you all ready for that? Okay. So today we are going to learn, as I told, one of the method to solve the pair of linear equation. So previously we have discussed about graphical method. So algebraically, how we can solve pair of linear equation. So basically we can solve the pair of linear equation by three methods. So there are three methods. So first one is your substitution method, second one is your elimination method, and third one is your cross multiplication method. Okay, so today we are going to discuss only substitution method. Correct children? So what is substitution method? As you can analyze the word, substitution means if you substitute something with the other. Okay, so because in this particular method, we will be substituting one parameter with the other, hence the name substitution method. So we will discuss what are the basic steps which is followed while solving the pair of linear equation using your substitution method. So what is your step 1? So in step 1, you have to find the value of one variable, say y, in terms of the other variable, that is x, from either equation whichever is convenient. That means if you have pair of linear equation, what you have to do is you are going to represent the y in terms of x. So you are free to choose any of the equation. Correct? So what is the second step? Then what you have to do is substitute this value of y in other equation and reduce it to an equation in one variable, that is in terms of x, which can be solved. Okay, so after getting the value of y in terms of x, what you have to do? So you have to substitute that corresponding value of y, which is in terms of x now, in the equation. And what will be the result of that? Now everything will be in terms of x. Correct or not? Next, what you are going to do next? That is step 3. Substitute the value of x obtained in step 2 in the equation used in step 1 to obtain the value of other variable. Okay, so it is that simple. Okay, so why we are calling it a substitution method? Because we have substituted the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of other variables to solve the pair of linear equations. That is why the method is known as substitution method. Okay children? Okay, now whatever the steps I have told, So let us implement in some examples so that you can understand it properly. Okay. So let us solve our first example. Solve the following pair of equation by substitution method, that is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So your equation 1 is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and your second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3. So how we are going to solve it? So let us try to solve this problem. So what we will do? Step 1. We pick either of the equation and write one variable in terms of the other. So what we have to do? We have to pick any of the equation. We can pick 1 or 2. So I am picking the equation 2. So let us consider the equation 2. Okay. So what is your equation 2? It is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Correct or not? It is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now what we have to do? Now we have to represent the one variable in terms of the other variable. So if you want to do so, how you are going to write the value of x in terms of y? So from the equation 2, you will get x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Correct or not? So now what we are going to do in the step 2, whatever the value you have got for x in terms of y, that you are going to substitute in the equation. Correct or not? That is your step 2. So substitute the value of x in equation 1. So what is your equation 1? It is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. So now what you are going to do is, in place of x, you are going to substitute 3 minus 2y. So you are not going to write x anymore in equation 1. Rather, in place of x, you are going to substitute 3 minus 2y. Correct? So it will be like this. So 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. So now you have to solve it and bring it to the simpler form. So you will get 7 into 3 is equal to 21 minus 7 into 2y is equal to minus 14y minus 15y. So that is equal to 2. Correct or not? So what you are getting finally is minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So what you have done exactly is, you have just brought all the variables at one place and all the constant to the other side. Right? So then it will be easier to find out the value of y. Correct, children? So what will be the value of y then? So you will get y is equal to 19 divided by 29. Correct or not? So now you have got already y value. So you substitute the y value in equation and you will find out the x value then. So what we'll do that, substitute this value of y in equation 3. What is equation 3? That is x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Right? What is y value? Just now we have obtained, that is 19 divided by 29. So substituting that, we get x is equal to 3 minus 2 into, what is the value of y? It is 19 divided by 29 and your answer is 49 divided by 29. So therefore, what are the solution value? So x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. So this is how, by using substitution method, we could solve the pair of linear equation. So now let us solve some more examples. Okay. So what is your next question? Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for 18. Find the cost of each pencil and each eraser. You remember this problem we have presented graphically and we have tried to find out the solution by graphical method. Correct or not? Now we are going to solve this problem using your substitution method. So first you have to form the equation. So considering the Romila's purchase, how many pencil Romila is purchasing? 2 pencil. Let number of pencils be x. Cost of pencil is x. Cost of eraser is y. So taking that into consideration, your first equation will be equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Correct or not? Similarly, considering Sonali's purchase, you will get what? 4x plus 6y equal to 18. So now you have got 2 pair of linear equations. So let us solve. So the pair of linear equation which can be formed are 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So just now I told you have assumed that cost of pencil is x, cost of eraser is y. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. So what is the next step? Now you are going to find out one variable in terms of other variable. So we will express the value of x in terms of y. So what will be the value of x in terms of y? So for that we have considered equation 1, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So from this what will be the value of x? So definitely 2x will be equal to 9 minus 3y, hence x will be equal to 9 minus 3y divided by 2. Correct or not? Now what next? So the value of x which you have obtained in terms of y has to be substituted in the second equation. So in the second equation, wherever there is a x, the x has to be substituted by 9 minus 3y divided by 2. Let us do that. So now we substitute the value of x in equation 2. So we will get, what was your equation 2? It is 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. So 4 into x. In place of x, what you are going to write? 9 minus 3y divided by 2. Correct or not? Then plus 6y as it is, that is equal to 18. Now the entire equation is in form of y. Correct or not? So you have to simplify it. If you simplify, you will get 18 minus 6y plus 6y is equal to 18. Correct or not? Now what is happening here? Minus 6y and plus 6y is getting cancelled. So what you are getting is 18 is equal to 18. Then how to find out the cost of pencil and eraser, and what you should conclude if this kind of situation arises? So, if this kind of situation arises, you should understand that the pair of linear equation has many solutions. There is no specific solution to the problem. Rather, you have many solutions to the pair of linear equations. So, in this particular problem, you cannot find a specific value for pencil and the eraser, as both the equation are similar. Rather, you can see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Correct or not? You remember I have told you the formula how to find out whether the solution of the equation will be consistent, inconsistent, whether you have unique solution, no solution, or you have many solutions. So this is the situation of infinitely many solutions. Hence, this statement is true for all values of y. However, we do not get a specific value of y as a solution. Therefore, we cannot obtain a specific value of x. This situation has arisen because both the given equations are the same. Therefore, equation 1 and 2 have infinitely many solutions. So, we cannot find a unique cost of a pencil and an eraser because there are many common solutions to the given situation. Correct? So, Now let us solve one more example. So that is, two rails are represented by the equations x plus 2y is equal to 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So you have to find out, will the rails cross each other? So this problem we have solved graphically. So let us solve it by substitution method. So what are the pair of linear equation? They are x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And another one is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. What is the step 1? You have to express one variable in terms of the other variable. So we are expressing x in terms of y from equation 1. In equation 1, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So what will be the value of x in terms of y? It will be 4 minus 2y. Correct or not? It is 4 minus 2y. What next? So now the value of x that you have obtained in terms of y, that you are going to substitute in the second equation wherever there is a x. Now what is the second equation? It is 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Correct or not? So now in place of x you are going to substitute 4 minus 2y in the equation 2. So I have substituted it, that is 2 into minus 4 minus 2y within the bracket, because x is equal to 4 minus 2y. So I have just substituted x by 4 minus 2y plus 4y minus 12. Now simplify it. You will get 8 minus 12 equal to 0. Is it possible to get 8 minus 12 equal to 4? Not at all, right? What is 8 minus 12? It is minus 4. How minus 4 can be equal to 0? So definitely this statement is false. Correct or not? So if you get this kind of situation, then you should understand that the problem has no solution. Therefore, the equations do not have a common solution. If there is no common solution, then the solution is inconsistent solution, and if it is inconsistent solution, you will get parallel lines. You remember graphically? So you will get two lines which are parallel to each other and never intersect. So you can conclude that the two rails will not cross each other. So here one rail is represented by one equation. Correct, children? Hope you have understood by using substitution method how you can solve the pair of linear equation. So in the next class we will discuss the problems from your exercise. Okay, children? So you can try some more examples related to your substitution method so that you can clarify your doubt and you can understand the concept in a better way. And in case of any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, children? Thank you for your patient hearing. Do follow us in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to download the app and enroll yourself. Bye bye. Take care and keep smiling.